Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous puff sleeve maxi dress. So let's begin. Begin by folding your fabric into 4. Then use a loose fitting top as a guide. Carefully cut around the top, leaving enough for seam allowance. Here I'm extending the side cut diagonally towards the edge of the fabric. Use a tape measurer to mark your length and also to guide you when you're cutting the fabric. Once you're happy, take one bodice piece and extend the neckline by 1.5 inches. Carefully cut this out. This will be the front of the dress. Next, place both pattern pieces right sides together and pin at the shoulders. Now for the sleeves, fold the fabric in half. Then pull the non-folded corner inwards as shown to form a triangle. From the bottom of this triangle, measure 16 inches and mark. Mark all the way around the triangle. And repeat this for the lower part of the triangle. My measurement here was 16 inches. Now cut the top section and the lower section as shown. Open up the pattern piece and cut the folded edge. You should now have 2 pattern pieces for the sleeves. Next, fold the sleeves right sides together. Then cut a small curve from the non-folded edge as shown. Use the first sleeve as template to cut out the other sleeve. For the belt, I measured my fabric to be 54 inches long, and on the fold I measured 3 inches wide. I pinned this right sides together and then cut it out. For the cuffs, I folded the fabric in half again, measuring 3 inches wide and cutting this out. The strip should be the width of your upper arm times 2, including seam allowance. My 2 cuffs are now ready. Before stitching the sleeves, I added some decorative pearls on the sleeve pattern. I used a hot glue gun to stick the pearls in position. This part of the tutorial is optional, so you don't have to do this if you don't want to. Glue down all the pearls in the position of your choice. Once the glue has set, they're ready for stitching. Begin by stitching the shoulders of the dress. Next, add a basting stitch on the sleeves. Pull on one thread to create gathers. Pull this to the length of the armhole. Once you're happy, place the sleeves right sides together and pin. Once you're happy, you can stitch this into position and repeat for the other side. And this is how your dress should now look. To add the cuffs, place the cuffs on the sleeves right sides together and pin. Stitch this into position. Fold the sleeve in half and remove any excess material if you need to. And you can repeat for the other side. Finally, you can fold the dress right sides together, pin the sides and stitch them together. Carefully stitch the sides of the dress. Afterwards, you can hem the dress. To finish the neckline, cut a 1-inch strip on the bias. Place this right sides together around the neckline. Pin this into position. Once you've done this, you can stitch around the neckline close to the edge. Fold this strip twice inwards and then top stitch. And this is how your neckline should now look. Now stitch the sides of the belt, leaving one end open. Turn the belt inside out. Then stitch close the end. Finally, take your chosen embellishment and place it on top of the belt. I used this gold strip which I placed onto position using my hot glue gun. This is the final look of the belt, and here's the final look of the dress. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video, and I'll see you next time.